Hello, welcome to my channel Chaotic Curvy Mama. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am in the 6th edition of National Trade Expo. So this is the 6th Trade Expo organized by Udyogi Mahila Sanstha. This fair has started from the 18th and it would go up to the 5th of April. And this has been held near Khanapara Veterinary College in Ganesh Indoor Stadium. So let's just see what is there in the fair. This is a homage to Jubin Garg. He's a legend and he's still in our hearts. This is like a Muga stall. Bihu is almost near, so people are already busy buying. This is beautiful mekhela chadars. That's again handloom mekhela chadars, towels, gamusas. These are rihas. It's beautiful Assamese jewelry and lot of mekhela chadars. It's called Rich Vogue. There is potlis, there is gamusas, there is mekhela chadar, there is single chadars, and there are wrapper skirts too. This is a beautiful clock with our Assamese jappi. Cotton hankies. These are all local motif clutch bags. So she has a lot of collection right from waistcoat till shirts. These shirts would cost you around, say, from $750. Of course, she'll give you discount. This is our traditional dhoti, and there are beautiful frocks. You get it from size 0 till big sizes, and since Bihu is oncoming, this would look very nice on the little one. Apart from that, she have made all kind of decors from corset. There is Ahomia jewelries. Look at the gam kharus, how pretty they are. Plus mekhela chadar, a lot variety. So again, artificial jewelries. Use a lot of etiquette shirts, yes, kurtas. There are different kind of waistcoat. Here you'll get the shirts and the kurtas from 38 up to 44, and these are all cotton. Pretty jewelries. Plus, I love the plants with the planters. It's called panda plant. And this is zebra plant because of its prominent stripes. Yeah. Here there is lots of mekhela chadar, gamusas, different kinds of gamusas rather. Different wrappers. So this is your traditional Manipuri dress.
फनेक फिडू
Fanek
फिडू
fidu.
बोलता है और इसको ये फनेक बोलते हैं ये
So this is a beautiful set that you wear in your lower and upper half. This would cost you around 3,500 because the cloth is pure cotton and it is really good. If you touch it, you can make out.
तो कवना बोलते हैं मणिपुर का प्रोडक्ट है ये लोकटाक लेक में मिलता है इसका।
Oh,
तो इसका आपका ये आएगा 650
650 और बड़ा वाला जो
बड़ा वाला 1500
1500 का. But these are actually handwork. You can see. This one in particular is so beautiful. This would cost you around 1500. These would cost you close to say 900, 950, and these are all traditional. Look at this beautiful pista color. Plus the rest of it here, again, these are all pure cotton. It cost you around say 1,000 or so. Manipuri jewelry. Look at this, how beautiful they are. And especially these are of our grandmom's time, the stone ones. These are handmade decors. She has a huge collection of Assamese jewelry as well. I particularly like this one, and it would cost you around 450. This has got a orchid kopo full with matching earrings. I love collecting this, especially the sunflowers. These are perfectly bendable sunflowers. This would cost you around 250. There's gamusas, there is mekhela chadars, there are kurtas, and here there are shirts and beautiful dresses in different kind of achar, from jalpai to lemon. Jalpai is Indian olive. Then there is bamboo shoot, there is mango pickle. I see a different kind of wheat called black wheat chakki atta. Then there is different kind of chiras, joharais, and there is jaggery. These are lemon squash. All figurines of Ganeshas, owl, stone figurines, and keychains. Almost balm consistency, and you put it in your hand and the smell stays. And I've used this personally. This is really good. You can use it as a blush and also as a lip balm. And I have taken this and I highly recommend this. This is hibiscus oil, which is pure and which is really good for hair fall and hair growth. Room freshener, surprisingly. Just got a sample. It smells really nice. And these are the dhoop, which they are already burning. There are many sticks and this would cost you close to 140. They are called the Gardenia Group. Keychains for all the anime lovers. Kids, they would go bonkers seeing all kind of keychains. Different. There are labubu, there is mask, or there are costume jewelry, Nepali jewelry, and there are different kind of clips, chains, and water bottles. Beautiful bags, mekhala chadars, stores, jewelries, shirts, gamosas, and the wall decor. It's all handmade. This is perfect for gifting. It looks very nice. There is a tea bag and there is a gamusa. What else do you need for gifting? This cushion cover, it's so pretty. And this would cost you around 350. The kind of thread work. And these are Padmini cotton. This would cost you around 1500 or so. Got gamusas, waistcoat. There are a lot of jewelries. Assamese jewelry. This is so pretty. There are small dresses and waistcoats, clay jewelries, toy shop. From squishies to guns, to cars, to walkie-talkies. This is Ma Achar Bhandar. They have got all kind of achars and papas. All snacks for your evening tea. Area is smelling of yum achar. But different kind of achars, from chilies to jujubes to mixed one to olives. These are all Gujarat handlooms. Beautiful wall decor. They've got cushion covers, different types of cushion covers, sofa set covers, bed sheets, bed covers. These are for your round cushions. And particularly those one that you see, you can actually hang it, frame it as a wall hanging. It makes really nice wall pieces. These are mekhala chadars, single chadars, stoves. Particularly in this shop, you have got wrappers and Manipuri costume sets that they wear. But apart from that, they have got huge collection of food items. This cost you around 20 rupees each. The different kind of jewelries that you see. Costume, Manipuri, Assamese jewelry. The store with all kind of costume jewelry, and the rates they have already fixed it. So it is 50 rupees per piece. Plus they have got all kinds of keychains. So this particular ones cost you around 70 rupees. There is more mekhala chadar. How pretty they are. And these are wrappers. Beautiful wrapper sets that you see.
Handmade, no?
And handloom. This is airy stoles, which would cost you around 1300 to 1500. Perfect for personal use plus for gifting. This is toss gamusa, and this would cost you around 2200. Missing mekhala chadars, those you see, that is made of cotton, Padmini cotton to be precise, and that would cost you around 2400. But look at the thread work. And these are like single chadars, which would cost you close to say 1500. This is beautiful Thapana gamosas, and this would cost you around 250 to 300. Full handloom work, lot of mekhala chadars, rihas. This is a perfume store. It's a beautiful mekhala chadar. This is Kesapat, and this would cost you say around 6500 or so. Beautiful colors of mekhala chadar and different sets. We've got different types of junk jewelry. It's pure cotton gamusa, hand woven, handmade, not machine made, and this is pretty big in size that I can already see, and this would cost you close to 1000. She has lot of accessories for women, plus Kopoful for the upcoming season. Lot of jewelries, hair accessories. Apart from that, she has mekhala chadars too. So this is very important for us right now since we are falling short of gas. So this is a ready-made stove. That's a blower, see? You just need to put your wood here and it's good to go. Firewood, cow dung, charcoal, you can use it all. And this big one would cost you around 4500 and the small one would cost you around 4000. But look at the beauty of this. Wow. See how nice. This is a single chadar. You can multi-use it like a dupatta, store. This particular sadar would cost you around 1100, and the jewelry that you see, it starts from say 3000 onwards. These are the gamusas for Namghar. There are different kind of mufflers, Boro muffler, Naga mufflers, and a lot of wrappers, gamusas, mekhala chadars. So you get sizes from say 38 and it can go up to size 50. So you get all the plus sizes, which is very difficult when it comes to waistcoat. You can always order, and it's got different mekhala chadar, which would range 9,000, and he has got his own workshop that just in case you want to order. And these are different stalls. These are set, which are miso set, plus there are more. This would cost you close to say per piece would cost you around 650. So this is basically local alcoholic beverages. The store is closed and it is made of rice. And there are different kind of Ayurvedic medicines. It's got a little handloom and handicraft. They've got different mekhala chadars, plus waistcoat, dresses, huge range. Plus she had got mekhala chadar, lot of wrappers, different kinds of muffler stalls that you see out here, mini gamusas, wrappers. I really like is see in traditional motif they have made salwar kurta set. This is the churidar or the pajama, and that is your kurta, and this would cost you around 1200. She has got many of such collection in different motifs. This is called Feb Siblings and Balm Fiber, and these are all handmade bags that you see, candles, banana chips, toothbrushes, scrunchies. These are big size scrunchies. It would cost you around 80 bucks.
Banana fiber and bamboo leaves. We are making tissue paper.
Oh,
so these are the tissue paper.
Oh, so these are the tissue paper and they make it out of it. Lovely. Oh, and how much is this?
It's 200.
200 rupees. These are the different kind of cookies that they are offering, and these are small cute cakes, and they are from millet, no gluten. This is called the creative corner for all the kids, the teenager, the adolescents, all figurines that you see. And these are the cupcakes. Caterpillar is 350, and they have got octopus here, and for bumblebee. And look at this cutie pie. This would cost you close to 400, but of course they can give you a discount. Flavors you have for today is vanilla, mango, chocolate, rasmalai and chocolate mousse. Malai glasses, and that's the chocolate mousse glass, and it would cost you around 80 bucks. So here you get to balance a coin and you can win a free gift, and you have to balance the coin exactly here in an orange which is dipped in water, and then you win a free gift. Naira is busy having her anime stickers. So there is Mojri shop, the different kind of Ayurvedic herbs, costume jewelry, Assamese jewelry, primarily Assamese jewelry. These are Afghan dry fruits, different types of dry fruits. They come usually in all the melas. Mekhala chadars, gamusas, waistcoats, again different kind of mekhala chadar. Again, the same one selling wrappers, mekhala chadars, and jewelries, fridge magnets, and furnishing from sofa cover to cushion covers to placemats and different kind of mekhala chadar. And this is from Netfi House. You can actually visit Netfi House, but they have put up a stall here too. These are beautiful beaded earrings. Those are beaded jewelries. And the different kind of mekhala chadars here. Handicraft section primarily, where there is table runners to placemats to bags to spices to majuli mask. There you see, and waistcoats and cane products. Different costume jewelries, from bracelet to earrings to rings.
These are all anti-tarnish jewelry.
Oh,
You can wear it in water also, the color
doesn't fade away.
Yeah.
Oh, great, yeah. She's got beautiful collection though. I really like this Evil Eye one. How much would this cost around?
This one is $5.49.
$5.49.
Yeah.
And she has got a very unique selection of collection. In case you want to order for future, you can check into her Insta page. I'm an Evil Eye fanatic and I love what she has. These are rings that would cost
This
me
is $4.79.
$4.79.
$4.49, and this is $4.49 as well.
Great. I've already bought this Evil Eye adjustable ring, and look how good it looks. Evil Eye bracelets too. And just in case you are not into Evil Eye, she has got much more. A lot of charm bracelets, a lot of earrings, and for chic jewelries, do contact her. It's got a mix of clothes, plus it has got different decors and gift bags. This is a beautiful gift bag. It has got 7 items inside, and this would cost you around 1,000. This one contains 2 extra more, so like 9 items, and these are 7 items, and these are all handmade. At her collection of handloom, it's so beautiful. And these are cute hankies for your little ones for school. There are gum kharus, and there are wrappers, stoles. So this is another stall which has different mekhala chadars that you see. Everybody is buying for festive season. Manipuri stall that they have with different Manipuri jewelries and Manipuri sets. So the food court is decent. We have got ethnic food from chai to normal pizza and chow mein, Manipuri food, and also bakery items. Just in case you want to have different kind of sodas, there is a soda boy too. So these are different kind of steaks that you see in Mela. So these are chicken, that is fish, these are pork, and these are apong. These are local alcoholic beverages. The small one would cost you around 100 and the bigger bottle will cost you around 200. I'm here in Manipuri stall. I have already eaten their food in Sarasmela. It's yum. So right now they have chana fry, chana bhaji, that's your khar, and this is what they serve with singju, and that's your ghugni. And ordered for
जैनम का आपका ये क्या नाकुप्पी बोलते हैं मणिपुरी में.
okay, and she's going to make a pakora out of it. Didi is making shinju here. She has put all kind of raw veggies and a little aloo that they've mixed and with masalas, and they use YY. So basically in original shinju they don't use YY, but here just to mix it up and make it more yummy, it's almost like a salad. So they've used YY in that. The leaf that I showed earlier, it's been deep fried with a lot of different vegetables. Deep fried, and it's almost done. Right now they are going to serve me with kasundi and tomato sauce. Otherwise they make their own chutney to go with the pakora or bora.
बड़ा कसूंदी के साथ खाने में बहुत टेस्ट होता है.
Lovely. It already looks well cooked and crunchy. Ira is going to have her Oreo milkshake. So there she is making fresh Oreo shake right in front of you live. See, fresh cream. And they have not compromised on the quality. They are using Amul products.
ice cream too.
Yum, yum. See, they have not compromised on the quality of ice cream that they are using. They are using quality walls. So it's worth every of your penny, and it's made very hygienically. Thank you. And if you like my video on 6th National Trade Expo Mela, do subscribe to my channel. Till then, lots of love. Take care.